Komanga here. Today, we are going to create a text shadow like this with After Effects. Then let's get started. First of all, I am creating a new composition in 1080px 1920px and create a new solid layer for the background. I am choosing a white color. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to the layer. Here, change ramp shape to radial ramp, then change the dot into almost here. Tap the swap colors, then change the black color into a gray color. I am just adjusting the dot. Now create a new text layer and type something you want. Here I am typing shadow. After, change its color to black. Also, I am recommending you choose a bold font. I am selecting Montserrat. And increase character size. Now duplicate the text. And change the color of the duplicate text into white. After, go to Effects and Presets and search for CC Radial Fast Blur. Add it to the first text. Then, here change the dot manually or like this. Increase the amount. Now change the dot into a corner of the text like this or manually. And lock keyframes of center. Change the time indicator as you want and change the position of the dot into the opposite corner. Select these two keyframes and make them easy ease. That's all. Here's what we have done. I hope you have made like this or you will. So friends, it's time for us to say goodbye. But hopefully, we can see each other in the next one. So make sure you have subscribed and settled the bell button and all. Thank you, goodbye.